Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to go over how to use an Arduino Mega to convert a GPGLL sentence to a GPWPL sentence. I'm doing this for my next project. It's part of it, and it's complicated enough I didn't want to confuse the main subject, so I'd give this its own video. I'm just going to go over this operation real quick. Show you some of the code and the conversion between the two sentences, and then show you it working in action. So first let me go over the basic circuit of what's going on. I have a Garmin GPS, and it's putting out a GLL sentence once every 5 seconds at 4800 baud, and it's at 5 volts RS232, and we need to change that to TTL levels for the Arduino. So I'm running it through a 7414 inverter here. So when it goes through the inverter, it comes out TTL. And we're just going to the serial input of the Arduino number 1, and it's doing the conversion coming out on the transmit of serial port number 2, where it goes back into another inverter to come out as RS232, and this output will be going to an RS232 to USB converter, and then sent through the network across the wireless network to the other units. Now the 5 volts that it gets will be coming in through another USB cable coming off here. I didn't show that on this one, but that's where it's getting its voltage from. And also this is where we're going to assign a unique ID, so that each one has its own individual ID, because that's what WPL requires. As a matter of fact, let's look at that real quick. The two sentences, GLL and WPL, are almost identical. Their first 4 items are the same, and the only difference is that the GLL has a time and a status, and the WPL replaces that with a waypoint ID, and this is can be up to 6 digits, and then they both have a checksum. So the conversion of one to the other is very straightforward. All you got to do is change the name, keep the first 4 the same, and replace the last 2 with whatever you pre-assigned in the Arduino software for the unique ID, and then you have to do a new checksum. So let's take a look at that. I'm in Arduino now. Up here at the top is where it gives you the opportunity to change the individual ID, because like I said, you're going to want them all different. And I'll just scroll down the sketch here. I'm posting this on the Google Drive so that you can download it, but I'll just go through here. And congratulations or thanks to all the people who built ChatGPT, because ChatGPT is the one that wrote this, and I was impressed. It worked the very first time. It compiled the first time and worked the very first time. He did put a thing, it put a thing in there for doing random delays, so that you don't have a case of 2 units getting in sync and then crashing with their transmissions. Anyway, let's get around that, and I'll show you the thing working in action here. So let's pull up these 2. So I have on my hyperterm here, I'm looking at the source coming in, and then I'm looking what's coming out on the output of the Arduino. So let's go ahead and turn these on. I turn both of them on there so you can see them side by side in action. And you can see as one goes in, it doesn't take the Arduino, but just a split second to do the conversion and output it. You see the thing is correct, and over here instead of the time and the status is just my ID over here. So, and once again, I'll be using this in that program called ComTunnel to send it out across the network, and I can actually point that to any individual computer in the world, really, through the internet, so that they can see my location, track the waypoint on their system as well. So, all right, well, I hope this helps, and like I said, this will be a big part of the next package here. So, stay tuned for that.